na sentem asojafo mienu a wo maka omuti abo ma che so ma hye do mo ba be ware mu bansem sem bebre na wo mo trend pa na botayenti a wo mo trend ni na ne se wo mo wedding card on release ye no ex girlfriend of the sojeni no se won ti ase che se obekọ akostome wedding na ebekọ so no na nini na ne se obayi nsem obode betu dwa comfort bliss ni nsem obode betu dwa ne se abranti sojeni yi wa bon ho kapapapapa asika no che se wo calculate kika ko 30,000 Ghana cedis ebi bom na Ghana for trade se na abasasa se na ekosui na abayo yi oye enkware na woka enti che the whole of last week nipa Ghana for do na bobo hu kasafa asojafo yi a wo mo be wari na etiefo ni nemu no na wedding no etu ebesi wo wo boase wo ma hye date no enede yi na abayiwa comfort bliss wo kan ma wo bie hu se won enye we ade a wedding obepene amana baso na ni nemu no wedding no abaso a chese video ni circulate a wo wedding ase asojafo de asenya ya pack on to say service sardine ewo ase na watch video ni mbra na yakenya na mefa so
Watching Jacinta Kofi, Anita, Pacho, why late? I started the dear course live reporting from Watching. No, yeah, you late, watch it. When you're fast now, What a nice way to start your Saturday morning, you know. And never yet. Abu.
Video no na woni tua no na wo hwe se na police fo ni dia snati mu so mani abre pa na ye nhwe mu se ekoba se wedding to me ba so no is it not say abayo nsem o de betu dwa no what the trendy keke che se wo ka bibi mu age ni di wo man mu abrante kra won sheda ni intimacy se mu sa se ya wo de betu dwa no na se ne siti bia ni mu nchiremu nti menu aba na na ma owusu a what me sani faso chese ye ba twetwe nkomo na akwa ba hwe nkomo
Cheers.
se bi bia e find it
Me adomo.
ye de rade ase na menu aba wo hwe na nsentem soja ni ba ni be me yi omo wedding hu nti no chese Ghana ha be wo mreku a abayiwa comfort bliss wo si wo be say wedding no na be man so ne jira like ne girlfriend na o be ware no so say ne wo mo be shia boot to boot na che say Ghana ha bro dudo na ko so fan na ko bie mu say wedding ne nya baso na wo aboni chie bi wo video yi no na comfort then ko so
Ansana no meda wase na machia tumaji chachefo enyan gogo so ensure mo ewo mo supporter omo de tie channel echi na said de course ni de anko sisi ade de intimi charge omo aba pointing abichi mo na se wono comfort na ba abichi mbe nti a wentimi anko pie mo but ni niam no wo hwe ne nsem ne fi ahyɛsɛ no so na ɔde bɛtu dwa sɛ ka wabɔ abrante no ho ɛne ne nyɛ mu no wɔn sɛ wɔn kura pa sɛ n'asɛm no sɛ no so fa kan no wɔn mu saa sɛ abrante no de ne ka a ɛsɛ wɔn twa ne ka ne wedding ne deɛ sɛ ɔbɛsɛ wedding no Ghana ha mmra wɔ ha ɛna mmra n'akyi kura pa yɛyi mmra to nkyɛn a ɛnyɛ obi akeke na ɛware sogyani ɛna sogyafoɔ so deɛ wote mmra wɔn so wɔn nka mmra.
Okay.
Enti sɛ wɔka sɛ ubuafu o ex ayo bibi because say from the start wɔka sɛ wɔkɔdan ne ka ɔwɔ wedding ase nya no ɛyɛ yaw ɛna wɔn obi etu sa na mo because ɛnyɛ da a wɔgye n'ani anaso obi do kakra mpa ɛnyɛ da a ɛyɛ ne special day a wɔgye n'ani a maybe event bi kɔ so a ɛwɔ ne din mu ɛna bakɔdan ka wɔ no. Nkɔfoɔ de ka paa so nyɛ saa bɛn no ɛna yɛ dan ka ɛne de ka wɔ no nti sɛ empo sɛ yɛade ɛka bi wɔ hɔ no ma there are so many ways about me agye sika a ɛnyɛ ne day na wɔyɛ no bibi no bakɔ sɛ because of sure no mo yɛ ex yɛ so mo date ɛna wafɔ echi mo break it up ɛna wɔware eti ade nti na ne wedding day ɛna akɔgye mo sika wɔ eti I think sɛ ɔno amu no de ne nsɛm ne ba abɔ nti ka so bakɔgye ne de ka ɔno akɔfo tu ne fo ɔno amu sɛ mistake kɛseɛ na kɔbɛ because sɛ nkɔkɔ ya kɛbɛyɛ nimguase de ama ɔno amu ɔde aniwo ne arawo na bɛba because adeɛ yɛ akra wɔ wiase ne sɛ obi kra wa sɛ ɔpɛ kɛkɛ a wɔn ampene so krapo so ɔkɔ hu sɛ ɔware a wɔware yɛ kra timi hyew na obi a ɔno na date a mogyae a wɔware before wɔakɔ hɔ a wɔn na bɛha wɔ mu nti I think sɛ wɔtie futu efi amanfoɔ ɛna ɔno ankasa kra sa dwen nsɛm no mmienu nti na otwa bɔɔ yɛ a wɔankɔ sɛ wedding
na yɛn show sɛnea wosi kasa yi deɛ na ayɛ sɛ ɛyɛ yɛ nuaba comfort no ne nsɛm no ɛyɛ nokware
na sɛ ɔno ne case aba sɛ ɛyɛ nokoro nyɛ nokoro ɛna even aside that no so ɔde ba abɔnten ɛna sogyani abrante na mbɛrɛ ate ankasa sɛ ɔno bi ɔkeka
ɔno na ɔde ne case aboba wobue sɛnea abranteɛ no so abrante Richard wɔbɛka ne nsɛm sɛ daabi abayewa wɔ kurohyia no 1 month like comfort no na comfort no cry jobless see when we are two-sided ɛno na me person yɛ gyina so sɛ abrante no nkyerɛ mu ma me fɛ no to da wɔn nso kyerɛ mu sɛ wo comfort yi kora na nua na ɔbɛma wo ma me 200 cedis na wo po adwuma no wo nyɛ bi na wabɛnya ɛyɛ 30,000 like what spending that kind of amount ɛwɔ ne so na yɛn show ɛna ɛyɛ abrante in question Richard yi or a military man, and yes, or a jobless. And yes, or a jobless. And to share or be on your jobless. Now, Ubekos was spending a year, Sikawan and one, now a year by 1 year or year in the relationship, was it even good? And I decided, I walk on in Beman, Chimuno, Usha, Ubea, why not walk kind of correct?
So, share a burning some year power, can say, brand on any dating. Now on call Air Force in nothing or Beko. According to Abayo and a friend and now a brand Beko. Until one sick as Semian, one as was spending one so. Say all con me, Nemo being here, war on in the DDM morning, the ups and downs in the morning, and this is kind of year up to say, Nya Juma, and I see one. But in here, when boy in the response now, what the Abano say, comforting a jobless near the the only fact I hear important issue when you have said was accept to say comfort no or any dating. Because comfort in case in the na say we dating no and we go kwasia and we go before. Already case the worker be brain na worker say o summarize na ongu say boy no go kwasia was agye no mu aboso a wan chia no worker because eke ade anka boy no ware na nka me sure say better so be dan ne ka baby. Enti the one case me na say kwasie.
Yeah, and I would say so boy ni ka say mu so woni mu lady no.
Enti wo me date
Ba say lady no say lady ni money guy in fee.
Lady na je tum so oni nu fie o say wa fe no wate ase de enti a boy no amfa na nko ni fie da.
Yeah, because social relationship we ya.
Enti na te say akwa me de hia man wo ha ni say girl no de ni issue beto abonte no. Boy ni so aba bonte abeje tum san anokwasem minimum ye date ye jai. Enti enu ni fact I yes now and no be say okay waiting na girl say because say ade an ko men dey tikra no nya ya and can say o chantro na set apart onim no o ma dey ti and o mejai girl no purchase say boy no ebuni kwase boy no so ensem o ka chenya ka to continue and say girl no mo na man go kia nti the two sidedness na woman say obi ehunu mo say ebuni kwase a enti obi ade o ye na ye say
oh okay
enti say san na tell so there where the netini aba so na kire say fine esi ano ya wale bi enti say yen settle issue because our we are say baby wait say no esa na I quite say nsem bi wo like ama o konso odudu because as o share odudu bibi wo a won settle ye no sa no so no na say
o mkoye bibi
so on tinase na get on the side of the story now they ba no say girl no dey no so dey yen tali beni fo mremu no mo tali na fo go bi ewo mu bia do afo mu bi wo no o mo settle because boy no say girl no man go ki heart girl no say boy no na ibu no kwase because wa dey sika o ma na hwe na nya gina pa bi afede o hu say wo nya na fa no
o trend the pound o so trend na yen show abante ni yen hwe se susu ampa se ni aledi ken yampa na was spending wo ye abante rich do no to that kind of amount na wonya me adom we be military mu na just oba ni kra na ma wo sa broken heart I don't know how to put it say it say no sika so oba no na eja no me nye sure say oba no na eja na anka oba be complaining because who share some the year say ya pass a guy now yeah not then o can found
say oh yes I say was sheda ye di no nim say o pege ono and o share man ne born wo ka na library when ya be papa gina o gp o dia ko wa ba for dia and na this one day because ye nim kra ye nim say obi efum obi e wo kwan bo ne so na nipa ni di hu ya na mpokra wan ko nso bia no wan koye nyakuma de bi obebi wa fana nko duro so anyane hyenkrampo a ni krampo no sempi ti sempo so no kre se Richard Agui wo oyedi ye hyehan mage yi ehun se o ye relationship mu ye woda che ko bi ye do ye ho enti de ma sacrifice them from sikambo ho ka na wa bon ho ka bi do sempe so be na what when you drew bi no akwa obi fofo dia ene hu mi say awre no kra wa we no kampo ne na so be papa so because so dia tro any person kunya any high ene bi abem because obi wa obi di hu ya obi enya ho tan a
yes e mo
yes e betima aye problem te bre enka it could have been avoidable e wo say odo e feeling odo bi wa timi sisa na odo obi fiti ase no ekodu bebi ne bi wa ha
bi drive wa we
ene bi ene ni ye ko krapo no nipa anga no ye ya tinka no enyina nche agise ye building process wo ya anga ye hu adwuma building obi wa ya ka se me do na me do na te bia me do that's not the only thing sometimes who for man sacrifices ne bi mu so no how communicable among ye mutimi bon komodi komoko eche mutimi planning something
so I know that me be say attitude towards each other because attitude no dey just to build a relationship
and obi wo aba say de bia ade kakra ya ma me de bia wa no kuso na mi ame yesi mu say ma say it need to take adofo ntem enti maybe na as time went on na issue be sad because what you say they broke up it's a breaking up be mu they are not to say issues by na issues by and no interest because why papa bia ma me paint no issues about na issues we ntimi handle ni break it up and ntimi me worry
and no to say and also to say that
oh w anything I say say no press say because no to say onu to nyam ke to afa bi so then all say sika bi ko mu fi oba na fa say onu adi sika na ye foundation trianeka we ejuma sisia trianeka
na eme kwa ese ni dawo
rosa asa tito ntaye temate we ya ka se mi ya dia tun se ye ntiri tina ke but also me sika na mko aro bi fufu na ye o ya because we sika hwem ya ji usika ana okay we ntiri nchen up front ye ni chiche mu se ye nya agreement bi me change and say na ndo bi atmo so the only case against you
se we ya no kra na enye issue we nkwaye bibi e koso se mbema bi wo mo si o ti mo po se emba ombedi basica be de tuya emba le tuya ma no be de tuya e ko ba ne sa wa we na bon se obetua ma wa na o tuya ma for a particular purpose na ye show me ti o ka se ma na o say after wedding omo shia na te so omo sort out na o share se your baby ne se betu dwa na say ye no kra ne wo kana obetu da che be ma no esa se bia na wo do le wo ho na be me ya ware
enu die so do no wo a enkebre se onye adwuma ne e bra omujaye because any lady fufu only need the for some time obi so e pe ko pe wadi obi nti time about say time space abem nti adding na all that while na break it up no one bring it up this issue so me da swado
let's work it out
at least let's try it say empose na ka space kakra ho mbet me work it be out you never brought it up I didn't think we posting the wedding pictures Obabe worrying now, oh bring it. I mean, say we are jealous of what's going on.
Okay, into any chance.
Into any, and then who don't still grandpa in any case.
Okay, no chance back to forgive. There's only option. Be asked at now only there they should settle and she should forgive.
Okay.
Because only to me, can say be an hindrance to their marriage.
Only to me, no them.
Sweetheart, Nana, for final rest to them, my foot will be our war. Okay,
I think say finally the one person can find when they say it would have been better to say comfort place or they seminar to police for him no kasa quite or champagne foremost with my time same with man because we are better the year say obi a humun sem no bo na say go be eche na wo ne atwetwem akoma musun sem de obi ha ne se notify enya na tinka enti se wo de wo watinka wo how de ma wo say how e be to obi wo ha enya how man obetwetwe kwa because mate se akofo kakra bo say wo ba wa bra ye adwuma di 30,000 na de ko shop e ma de jimisem ana say wa de mu ha 18,000 na but now so sabre na wo nimge enti a wo yesa na maybe sabre ne papa mu na wo ye but because akoye so we did some na beto abonti obi a ti na no tumbi ntina to say nsema etimi ha akoma etimi bubu akoma etimi bubu spirit kra ene be keka choti enka issue we betimi address in a nicer way fairer way kra obenya justice edema no ti etu ehun fo nye issue bia na ese ye fa to abonto we a family issue akoma won sem counselors they say mre mo nye social media judging the role for ns wo mun kan sem we tikaka be kam
yo na mo wusua that's I'm sure. It's here for where did they basso a basso? Na and you maybe say, see, I near fire deal woman or bar. Good sentence said, bear my own wawa and spend it. Bear my rooms or bar when you need that one and spend it. Never more, dear, when you know what is up. You never see I'm within the Mexico, subscribe and share, like and promote too much. If that's an end, the rest I share. Bye bye.